Hi dear students, I'm going to explain you one two questions in relations and functions. The first question is if the ordered pairs A minus 1, that means these are the two components of the ordered pair A minus 1, and another ordered pair is 5B. That means in this you find that 5 is the first component and here B is the second component, and in the first ordered pair you find that A is the first component and minus 1 is the second component. Belong to xy, here x is the first component, y is the second component, such that y is equals to, that means second component is equals to 2x minus 3. So find the values of a and b. So the solution is here a minus 1 and 5b. That means these two ordered pairs belongs to xy, says that y equals to 2x minus 3. So we find that second component of the first ordered pair is equals to, that means minus 1 is equals to 2a minus 3. Because here x was there, 2x y equals to 2x minus 3x. So which is the first ordered pair's value, and first ordered pair's first component is a, that will be x, and so in place of x we put here a. So minus 1 equals to 2a minus 3. And this implies 2a is equals to minus 1 plus 3, and this implies 2a equals to 2, therefore a equals to 2 by 2, that is equals to 1. And in the same way, here you find b is the second component of the second ordered pair. So second component of the second ordered pair will be equals to, that means you can say that b is equals to 2 into 5 minus 3, because here it was 2x minus 3. So x means the first component of the second ordered pair is 5, and that will be put in place of x. And that's why b equals to 2 into 5 minus 3. This implies b equals to 10 minus 3, and therefore b equals to 7. So a equals to 1 and b equals to 7 is the answer of this question. Second question is find the ordered pairs AB if a square plus a, this is the first component, and 2 is the second component, that is equals to 2, it is the first component of this ordered pair, and 2b square minus 3, which is the second component of the second ordered pair. So solution is here a square plus a equals to 2. That means first component of the first ordered pair will be equals to first component of the second ordered pair. Yeah, and then similarly, second component of the first ordered pair equals to second component of the second ordered pair. So this thing always we have to keep in mind, that first component of the first ordered pair will be equals to first component of the second ordered pair if both the ordered pairs are equal. In that case, this is the thing. So here a square plus a equals to 2, and then this implies a square plus a minus 2 equals to 0. And now we do middle term factorization. And in middle term factorization, you know that your middle term is plus a. Okay, and this minus 2 will be factorized in such a way so that here plus a we will get by adding or subtracting. As you see here, plus 2a minus a will give us plus a, and plus 2 into minus 1 by multiplying we get minus 2. So this is only called middle term factorization. And then here in these two terms, that means a square plus 2a, we will take a common, then a plus a plus 2 is left in the bracket. And again here minus 1 I will take common, because minus a and minus 2 it is there. And that's why minus a I am taking, minus 1 I am taking common, then in the bracket a plus 2 is left. Because outside the bracket minus is there, so as soon as bracket is given, this minus becomes plus. And then again a plus 2 is taken common, a plus 2 into a minus 1 equals to 0. And you know that product of two quantity is equals to 0 when either of them is equals to 0, and that's why a plus 2 equals to 0, then a equals to minus 2, and if a minus 1 equals to 0, a equals to plus 1. So a equals to minus 2 and now 2 equals to 2b square minus 3b. This implies 2b square minus 3b equals to minus 2, that is equals to 0. And minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, and minus 4 is factorized in such a way so that we will get here minus 3. So it is written here 2b square minus 4b plus b minus 2 equals to 0. And again here in this 2, that means 2b square minus 4b, we will take 2b common because both are divisible by 2b. So 2b I am taking common, then in the bracket b minus 2 is left. And here b minus 2 is there. So here 1 will be taken common because 1 is the universal factor of all. So 1 is taken here. So in the bracket b minus 2 is left. Now again here b minus 2 is present in both the terms. So b minus 2 is taken common. Then here 2b plus 1 is left. That is equals to 0. And again the product of two quantities is equals to 0 only when either of them is equals to 0. And so if b minus 2 is equals to 0, b will be 2. And if 2b plus 1 equals to 0, b will be minus 1 by 2. So b equals to 2 and 1 by minus 1 by 2. So hence the ordered pairs are minus 2 and 2. Yeah, minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. That means you should say that here A was minus 2 and 1 and B was 2 and minus 1 by 2. So we are making the ordered pairs minus 2 and 2, minus 2 and minus 1 by 2. Yes, and in the same way 1, 2 and then 1 minus 1 by 2. So these are the four ordered pairs of these relations. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.